Grassroots Democracy, Part 2, Local Government in Rural Areas, Theme D, Governance and Democracy, the 11th chapter of Social Science from Class 6. This video contains all possible short questions, short answer type questions, long answer type questions, MCQs and all the questions from book exercise with their proper answers. You will get a better conception and better understanding about this chapter from this video itself. If you want such videos for all the other chapters, please subscribe to the channel. Let us start without wasting time. Exercise questions with answers. Question 1. Complete the following sentences. A. The Panchayati Raj system has blank levels. Answer. The Panchayati Raj system has 3 levels. B. The lowest level of the Panchayati Raj system is the blank. Answer. The lowest level of the Panchayati Raj system is the Gram Panchayat. C. The head of the Gram Panchayat is called the blank. Answer. The head of the Gram Panchayat is called the Sarpanch. D. The Gram Sabha consists of blank. Answer. The Gram Sabha consists of all adult members of the village. Question 2. What is the Gram Sabha? Why is it important? Answer. The Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adult members, 18 years and above, of a village. It is important because it allows people to participate directly in decision making, discuss village problems, approve development plans, and keep a check on the working of the Gram Panchayat. It strengthens democracy at the grassroots level. Question 3. What are the main functions of a Gram Panchayat? Answer. The main functions of a Gram Panchayat are solving local problems, maintaining village infrastructure, implementing government schemes, promoting development activities, and keeping records of births and deaths. Question 4. How is the Panchayati Raj system organized at different levels? Answer. The Panchayati Raj system is organized at 3 levels. Gram Panchayat at the village level, Panchayat Samiti at the block level, and Zilla Parishad at the district level. These levels work together for local administration and development. Question 5. Why is the Panchayati Raj system important for rural development? Answer. The Panchayati Raj system is important for rural development because it addresses local problems, encourages people's participation, ensures proper implementation of government schemes, and improves rural infrastructure. Question 6. How does the Panchayati Raj system promote democracy? Answer. The Panchayati Raj system promotes democracy by allowing people to elect their representatives, encouraging participation through Gram Sabha meetings, decentralizing power, and ensuring transparency and accountability. Question 7. What role do women play in the Panchayati Raj system? Answer. Women play an important role in the Panchayati Raj system through reserved seats. Their participation promotes gender equality and ensures women's voices are heard in local governance. Question 8. Why is local government called grassroots democracy? Answer. Local government is called grassroots democracy because it functions at the village level and directly involves people in governing their own affairs. Short questions, very short, answer type. Question 1. What is Panchayati Raj? Answer. Panchayati Raj is a system of local self-government in rural areas of India. Question 2. Name the 3 levels of the Panchayati Raj system. Answer. The 3 levels are Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti, and Zilla Parishad. Question 3. What is a Gram Sabha? Answer. The Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adult members of a village. Question 4. Who is a Sarpanch? Answer. A Sarpanch is the elected head of the Gram Panchayat. Question 5. What is the minimum age to be a member of the Gram Sabha? Answer. The minimum age is 18 years. Question 6. What is the Zilla Parishad? Answer. The Zilla Parishad is the highest body of the Panchayati Raj system at the district level. Question 7. Which amendment gave constitutional status to Panchayati Raj? Answer. The 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act, 1992. Question 8. Who calls the meeting of the Gram Sabha? Answer. The Gram Panchayat usually calls the meeting of the Gram Sabha. Question 9. What is local governance? Answer. Local governance means governing local areas through elected local bodies. Question 10. What is the term of a Gram Panchayat? Answer. The term of a Gram Panchayat is 5 years. Short answer type questions. Question 1. How are members of the Gram Panchayat elected? Answer. Members of the Gram Panchayat are elected directly by the villagers through voting. Question 2. What is the role of the Gram Sabha? Answer. The Gram Sabha discusses village problems, approves development plans, and monitors the work of the Gram Panchayat. Question 3. What kind of issues are discussed in the Gram Sabha? Answer. Issues related to water supply, sanitation, roads, schools, healthcare, and welfare schemes are discussed in the Gram Sabha. Question 4. What is the role of the Panchayat Samiti? Answer. The Panchayat Samiti coordinates the work of Gram Panchayats and implements development programs at the block level. Question 5. What is meant by decentralization of power? Answer. Decentralization of power means transferring authority from central and state governments to local self-government institutions. Question 6. Why are regular Gram Sabha meetings important? Answer. Regular Gram Sabha meetings ensure transparency, encourage participation, and hold elected representatives accountable. Question 7. How does reservation promote inclusive governance? Answer. Reservation promotes inclusive governance by ensuring representation of women, scheduled castes, and scheduled tribes. Long answer type questions. Question 1. Explain the structure of the Panchayati Raj system. Answer. The Panchayati Raj system has 3 levels. The Gram Panchayat works at the village level, the Panchayat Samiti works at the block level, and the Zilla Parishad works at the district level. Together, they ensure effective rural governance and development. Question 2. Describe the importance of the Gram Sabha in a democracy. Answer. The Gram Sabha allows direct participation of people in governance. Villagers can raise issues, question officials, approve plans, and ensure accountability. It strengthens democracy at the grassroots level. Question 3. How does the Panchayati Raj system help in rural development? Answer. The Panchayati Raj system helps in rural development by solving local problems, improving infrastructure, implementing welfare schemes, and promoting education and healthcare. Question 4. How does Panchayati Raj strengthen democracy in India? Answer. Panchayati Raj strengthens democracy by encouraging participation, ensuring representation of all sections, decentralizing power, and making governance accessible. Question 5. Why is decentralization of power necessary in a democracy? Answer. Decentralization is necessary because local governments understand local problems better, respond quickly, and promote participation and accountability. MCQs, multiple choice questions. Question 1. Panchayati Raj is a system of A. Central government. B. State government. C. Local self-government. D. Military administration. Answer. C. Local self-government. Question 2. How many levels are there in the Panchayati Raj system? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer. C. 3. Question 3. Who is the head of the Gram Panchayat? A. Panch. B. Ward member. C. Sarpanch. D. District collector. Answer. C. Sarpanch. Question 4. The Gram Sabha consists of A. Panchayat members only. B. Government officials. C. All adult villagers. D. Only women members. Answer. C. All adult villagers. Question 5. Which body works at the block level? A. Gram Sabha. B. Gram Panchayat. C. Panchayat Samiti. D. Zilla Parishad. Answer. C. Panchayat Samiti. Question 6. Panchayati Raj is called grassroots democracy because A. It works at the village level. B. It is controlled by the president. C. It is part of the judiciary. D. It is run by the army. Answer. A. It works at the village level. Question 7. Who supervises the work of the Gram Panchayat? A. State government. B. District collector. C. Gram Sabha. D. Parliament. Answer. C. Gram Sabha. Question 8. Reservation in panchayats ensures A. Economic growth. B. Equal representation. C. Foreign investment. D. National security. Answer. B. Equal representation.
If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.